Alright guys, I also finished up pigtailing these boxes and tying them into the little grid, I don't even know what it is, the little computer chip. So those are all done now. I didn't tie that together over there. The guy was blowing, whatever it's called, leaf blowing in here so they could paint the stripes in here, so it was clean, but it was making a big dust storm. And also, yesterday I forgot to mention, I was working in here, up by the ceiling. Can't really see it from here, but I put 2 boxes on the ceiling right above these panels, and then out of those boxes I ran wire over to the wall right here, 2 MCs on the bottom. Basically those are for something that I'm not sure, but these are dampers, and it's either sending power to this box right here or a signal. It's either a signal wire or power wire, but I'm not sure. So basically there's some wires inside the duct, and I just put a box on top, drilled a hole, pulled the wires through, and then tied the MC to the wires from the damper, and then just sent them over here into this box right there. I also did some work here in the fire damper room. This flow switch used to be up here, which I previously wired in, but they moved it, so I had to rewire it. So I just basically cut that shorter, stuck it back in, made it up, and then added a second one to this flow switch over here, and made that one up as well. And then just put the cover back on, made it up, and stuff like that. But I left a ladder out, so I gotta go put that away. Or someone left it out, but I'm gonna go put it away. And yeah, so this is, I don't even know what this room is called, the fire pump room or something, but a bunch of stuff in here. This is mostly from the fire alarm people, I believe, because this is the only thing that I know that we did in here. But I'm not sure, so anyways, yep. Alright guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. I look like a girl today. I got some hair hanging out right there, but I got a little ponytail right here, which is the first time I've done that. I found a hair tie in here. I don't know where it came from, but it's pretty sweet. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the likes yesterday, guys. You guys killed it with 23 likes. Let's see if we can beat that today. I stayed like 20 minutes after because this guy was hanging out or whatever. So I waited like 20 minutes so I could actually record video, so drop me a like for sure. And if you want to see more videos tomorrow, subscribe. And I'd appreciate if you guys left a comment or anything like that. It would help me out. And thanks for everyone who stopped by the live stream last night. I was making a hat for my friend, crocheting. And I don't know how many people, I didn't look at the end screen, but there was a bunch of people there. So shout out to everyone that came by. Mostly all the moderators, and I can't think of all the people's names right now, but appreciate everyone that came by. I know who you are. And yep, that's about gonna wrap it up. I guess I'm doing 10 hours all week, so it'll be a 50-hour week, and they asked me to work 10 hours on Saturday, but I don't work on Saturdays, so otherwise it would have been 60. And I don't think they work on Sundays, but they might, so maybe it'll be 60 hours, I'm not sure. But anyways, I'm gonna leave. I'm running extremely behind. I gotta go to a friend's Friendsgiving tonight. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I think that about wraps it up. I feel like I left something out today, but it was busy just going all over the place. 1st floor, 6th floor, 5th floor. So I'm working on these bench plugs right now. I just have to throw the lid back on the 6th floor. And yeah, so I'll show you guys some more stuff tomorrow. I gotta cut some plugs in tomorrow, which is gonna be annoying, but anyways, it be what it be. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna stop talking now. Hope you guys have a great rest of your night. God bless. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. I just want to say it was a really good day, unlike yesterday's first half of the day. And note to self, don't mention self-harm in a YouTube title or you'll be demonetized, LOL. And anyways, yeah, I'm just kind of over these work in the morning when it's dark till work till night till it's dark. So maybe it's just the fall thing or the whatever time conversion or whatever. But I just don't like waking up in the dark and getting off work in the dark. Just personal preference, but anyways, that'll do her.